Erwin, I'll begin with you with a live picture that we found ourselves having not accessed for months at a time. This doesn't look too far from the height of the lockdown. This is Times Square in New York. Live picture, 11:34 Eastern Time. Doctor, in your line of work, that picture means good news. Not so for all those trying to make a living in Times Square businesses. But here's the leadoff question. How far have we come in this past year? And here's the subset question. How far have we come in these past 50 days?
Well, it's been a remarkable time, and it's like the slow boil of a frog. You know, we're not feeling it as an impact, as an acute impact. It's happened gradually. But if you were sleeping for the last year and woke up now, what you would see is a changed America and a changed world in so many ways. It would take a long time to actually describe it. And one of the areas of fallout from all this, Brian, I thought it was going to take a really long time to establish credibility and in government, because we've been so misled by Donald Trump and his people, so much incompetence. I thought it was going to be literally years. But what we found ourselves now, in 50 days, we have, in essence, restored confidence in the federal government. And it's not just me saying that. It's every poll is looking at very high numbers of approval for President Biden. But from a public health point of view, the progress we've made in 50 days is absolutely mind-boggling. You know, we have, like he said, we're going to have all of American adults vaccinated by the end of May. We do see real light at the end of a very dark tunnel. And I'm uncharacteristically, always being the half-empty glass person, I'm feeling pretty good that we might have a pretty normal-looking Thanksgiving if we keep this up. Maybe even a normal few picnics on Labor Day. But I don't want to get ahead of myself, but say it's looking good. There's good news, and there's also some problems and dangers lurking in the wings that we also need to talk about, including, will variants get us into trouble? Will governors going rogue and reckless, setting back the masking and other public health measures? Those are dangers and a threat to all of us who really want to look at an optimistic view of what's coming up, Brian.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank all of you out there.
Thank you as always.
Thanks to at home.
Thanks for watching.
Thank you so much for letting us into your homes during these extraordinary times.